Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.